back to our channel WebToTech. Today in this video, I'll show you how to get $100 White Castle promo code. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference. Then go to search bar and type in White Castle promo code. Press enter and different website links will appear on your results. Using any of this website, you can easily get a working $100 of promo code for White Castle. So go ahead and open any of these website links. I'm going to open this one website. Now you are going to find tons of offers and deals for White Castle in here. Scroll down and check out all the offers. To grab the offer that you want, you just have to click on Get Code option beside the coupon. So here you have the code and you can copy the code by clicking on Tap to Copy. Now you can head towards the website of White Castle and use the code that you grabbed from here. Likewise, you can also try other websites to get $100 White Castle promo codes. So this is it for today's video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.